Replace your job with an online success. Why am I saying this? I've been working for the last 37 years, mostly in the retail industry. My name is Henning and I'm from South Africa. Last year, November, I stumbled upon the Legacy Builders program, and it taught me how to use social media platforms to create content and put it on these social media platforms so people can buy from me. I am now accredited reseller of the Legacy Builders program. Now I know I was very scared because there are so many scams and fly by nights, but I did my research thoroughly and now I can work for only 2 hours a day and make money online. I'm selling products that are in high demand. I'm making 100% profit. I'm getting paid daily, not monthly, not weekly. It is all automated. I don't have to phone anybody. I don't have to work those long overtime hours that I don't even get overtime for. This helped me to become successful. It gave me the skills with a small investment that I made, $100 or $300 or $600 or $900. And you can follow a step-by-step blueprint to be successful online. So replace your job and start today with an online business. If you want to know more, put more in the comments and I'll be happy to send you the information.